All right, guys, you're all welcome once again to my weekly recap on Bitcoin. Okay, I hope you guys were able to make profits in my last week analysis on Bitcoin and the Fed's interest rate decision. Okay, that came as expected. All right. So back to this video. You can see what is happening over here. You can see that yes, markets is really what dumping. Donald Trump is the one moving the market right now. Okay. The reason we are seeing this massive dump is because of the tariffs threats. That has been you know that has been flying over the internet for some days now. That got implemented today, okay, by the US President Donald Trump. Okay, let me just bring a slide on that. And so earlier today, like he said in his Twitter, today I have implemented a 25% tariff on imports from Mexico and Canada, 10% on Canadian energy, and 10% additional tariff on China. This was done through the International Emergency Economic Powers and the rest. Okay, so when you retrace, when you go through his handle, all right, so this tariff now that he got implemented, actually drove down the price of Bitcoin. Okay, today is Sunday in my Nigerian time, and probably when the market resumes, the forex market will also take its own shape on Monday, by siding in favor of the USD. All right. So as you can see, everybody now is not afraid of holding Bitcoin. That's what is happening right now. So people are trying to, prevent much losses, prevent more losses. But I have a view on this, okay? That's why I said, let me just share my own view on these tariff wars that have been happening since Donald Trump was sworn in as the 47th president of United States of America. Okay. All right. Since he has done this to these nations right now, okay, Mexico, Canada, China, all right, these guys will not sit and watch. It's going to be a war, all right, so it's going to be a war. And as countries, economic nations, war powers like these are actually fighting, economically, it's going to affect markets. It's going to affect financial market mostly. So, and the crypto industry is not left out. All right. So for now, and these are the things that some investors don't like. They don't like wars. All right. But if you know what you're doing, you can take advantage to make small profit on this tariff wars that has been beaten over every time tariff, every time, just take advantage of that and make some profit for yourself. Okay. Now, looking at these charts, you can see that yes, Bitcoin has been resisted at this top. This is the top, ever since Bitcoin has tried to break. Of course, with time, it might break it off. All right. But for now, nobody knows the fundamentals that's going to push Bitcoin to break this zone. Let me take it from probably here. Okay, it's just like a zone right now, isn't it? Just this point. Okay, and there. So between 105, between 105 and 108 or 109 thereabouts. Okay, I'm going to give it a red mark. Let me pour it red. Okay. All right. So, but you understand what this thing means. Let me not waste you guys' time. Okay. You understand that this is just like a resistance zone. All right. This is a resistance zone. So, And market has been testing these places severally. It tested here, it tested here, it tested here, it tested here. So anytime Bitcoin breaks above this, I think it will break with so much force, probably to $115, $150,000. But currently now, what is going to happen? What is happening right now? So let's just analyze that, okay? Let's analyze what is currently happening right now, okay? If you look at this is a 4-hour time frame that I've chosen, isn't it? Okay, so under this 4-hour time frame, this is where there is a massive dumping here, a bearish engulfing candle here. All right, a bearish engulfing candle that took place here. Then after that time, there was a kind of consolidation, indecisions. Market wasn't moving that much. Like sellers weren't selling that much. After there was a massive sell-off here from 105 to this point 102, isn't it? So market stayed remain steady till this moment. Okay. All right. So probably there's some countries now that are still maybe some of them haven't woke up to notice this news by Donald Trump. Okay. So probably market participants we have to breed up, especially the countries that have been affected by this tariff imposition here. Okay. Um, they will analyze it, digest it, and then maybe make a reaction on that too. Okay, but why in the meantime, I believe that this downtrend will continue trending. Probably will have a support here. Okay, it's going double bottom and chart pattern here. It's showing us a kind of double bottom chart pattern. So I believe that when more people traders, this part here, this will be a support. Okay, so if depending on your risk tolerance or your risk level, okay, if this is the best place to accumulate your buys on Bitcoin, you know, it's not that you give it all your capital, just spread them, right? Me, I put 97,500. That was the price I added my own 97,500. Okay. So you need to wait patiently because there's still time. There's still more room for more dumping. As long as we have a little kind of indecision here, then we'll have these candles here. Okay. The candles are still, the dipping candles are still massive. So then we should be looking at bullish engulfing candle, all right? Bullish engulfing candle or tweezer stop. Okay, because those are kind of candles that will tell you that yes, market is not shifting, it's not reversing from the bearish direction to the bullish direction. All right, and also watch these guys. If it didn't touch here, all right, if eventually it didn't touch here, and probably there is a notice on tweezer stop, tweezer bottom, or there is a kind of a signal on bullish engulfing candle. Okay, I think that's an entry point for you to enter long on this. Okay, so but there is still time right now. This is 12:35 a.m. Nigerian time. All right, I believe most African countries are asleep. Those that are doing Bitcoin and some of our people that are in Africa that are doing Bitcoin they are asleep right now. Okay, then there's some countries too that haven't noticed this news. By the time they wake up and see that yes, market has fallen by this, they would like to, protect their money and sell and keep their money on USD. Okay, so probably this thing has room for more dumping. All right, so be looking at this point. 78, sorry, 98, 97, something thereabout. So that's the support range for now. Okay. So anytime Bitcoin breaks this support, but I doubt that Bitcoin will break and continue falling down. Right. That input, that tariff impulse is not that strong enough to pull down Bitcoin to this 90. All right. So, but I don't know, anything can happen in crypto. You get. So please, guys, be on the watch out. All right, be on the watch out. And again, this just for Bitcoin. Another coin, depending on the other coin you're trading. I only analyze on Bitcoin for my OG traders, okay? Because Bitcoin is the one that does most of the moves here. If Bitcoin falls to below 100, most altcoins, like let's check CoinMarketCap, okay? See what's happening on CoinMarketCap, all right? Okay, so as you can see, the crypto total market cap has depreciated by 3.41%, isn't it? Okay, so look at some coins in the past 1 hour. Okay, some coins are falling massively. On the past 24 hours, some coins have Ethereum has fallen in the past for 12 hours so massively. All right, daily time frame. So this guy too has also fallen in the past 24 hours, 3 point something. So please be on the lookout, and probably now Bitcoin is rising up. Okay, but we can't tell. Some nations are still in their early morning period. So when they wake up and see what's happening, they might decide to sell off. But I think this rally will not be that much. Uh, uh, this dipping, all right? It's not rallying now, it's dipping. So this dipping will not be that much, all right? There will be a kind of support along this line. That's why I have to place mine, because this was the previous support. I have to place mine at 97,500. But do your risk, know your risk tolerance, know what you can afford to lose or something, okay? Know how you can play it. So I put my own 97,500 while I wait for more good news or bad news to come. All right. So as long as you're trading currencies, currency pairs, be it forex, be it crypto, even in stock too, please, you should pay attention to Donald Trump. All right. You should follow his mission, because dollar is war reserve currency right now. Okay. You should follow him on Twitter, be reading about what is happening, because in utterances, especially on crypto, his utterances moves markets. All right. His utterances, and we all know who Trump is. All right. His utterances what moves market. Just look at what happened because of this utterance he made and he has implemented, drove Bitcoin down, and gave some strength to the USD. All right, so please be on the watch out. I believe that Bitcoin will also bounce back again. Just a kind of distortion, you know, um, a distortion that won't last long, because I believe these countries they were imposed tariffs on will also like to retaliate, and as they're retaliating, people will like to watch and then know their directions. But from what is happening right now on the technical analysis, Bitcoin is falling and it's probably going to have a support around this zone. So that's the buying zone. All right. So this is just a brief. I just want to make to my those my subscribers that have been trading on this coin on these crypto markets. Okay, it's not for the newbies. This video I'm making here is for my OGs. All right. So guys, thank you once again. I just want to appreciate people. I want to appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Okay, and thank you. The 23 subscribers I have that's giving me that watch hour. I do really appreciate you guys. Please, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you guys. Okay, and as time goes on, I'll keep coming up with more ideas on that. Okay, so please, I find in just a new channel. All right, there are lots of good things I have in place for you guys. Okay, I promise that this year, yes, if you're following my channel, you'll be profitable in your trades. I don't like losses. No, sometimes you make some losses too. It's part of trading. All right. So thank you guys. I appreciate. And please recommend me, share my channel to your friends, and please, if you have some thoughts or maybe some questions too, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section. All right. I will definitely answer you. All right. Please. I love you guys from the depth of my heart. I love you guys. All right. Thank you so much. One love.